Artificial intelligence. AI presents numerous opportunities for making money across various industries. As AI technologies advance, businesses and individuals can leverage these innovations to create new products, improve services, and optimize operations. From developing AI-driven applications and offering consulting services to investing in AI startups and creating AI-powered content, there are myriad ways to generate revenue. AI's ability to analyze data, personalize experiences, and automate tasks opens up possibilities for entrepreneurs, investors, and professionals. This guide explores 10 profitable avenues for monetizing AI, providing detailed insights into each approach to help you harness the potential of this transformative technology. In this video, we will talk about how to make money with AI, so make sure to watch the full video. 1. Developing AI-driven applications. Developing AI-driven applications involves creating software that leverages artificial intelligence to solve specific problems or provide enhanced services. This can include applications in various fields such as healthcare, egg diagnostic tools, finance, egg automated trading systems, customer service, egg chatbots, and more. By identifying market needs and developing AI applications that address these needs, developers can create products that offer significant value, thereby generating substantial revenue. 2. Offering AI consulting services. AI consulting services involve providing expert advice to businesses looking to implement AI technologies. This can include strategy development, feasibility studies, and implementation support. Consultants can help businesses understand the potential of AI, identify suitable use cases, and develop a roadmap for AI integration. By offering these services, consultants can assist companies in harnessing the power of AI to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and drive innovation, creating a profitable business model for themselves. 3. Creating AI-powered content. Creating AI-powered content refers to leveraging AI tools to generate or enhance content for various platforms. This can include automated writing, content personalization, and multimedia creation using AI algorithms. Content creators can use AI to produce high-quality, engaging content at scale, tailoring it to specific audiences and improving engagement. This approach can be monetized through advertising, subscriptions, and partnerships, as high-quality content tends to attract more viewers and generate higher revenue. 4. Launching AI-based startups. Launching AI-based startups involves building new businesses centered around AI technology. These startups can focus on developing innovative AI products or services such as machine learning platforms, AI-powered consumer electronics, or specialized AI solutions for industries like agriculture, retail, or logistics. Entrepreneurs can secure funding from venture capitalists, angel investors, or crowdfunding platforms by demonstrating the potential impact and scalability of their AI solutions. Successful AI startups can achieve significant growth and profitability by disrupting traditional markets and creating new opportunities. 5. Investing in AI stocks and startups. Investing in AI stocks and startups allows individuals and institutions to profit from the growth and innovation in the AI sector. This can involve purchasing shares of publicly traded AI companies or investing in private AI startups through venture capital funds or direct investments. Investors can benefit from the increasing adoption of AI technologies across various industries, driving up the value of AI companies. By carefully selecting investments and staying informed about industry trends, investors can achieve substantial returns. 6. Monetizing AI through SaaS, software as a service. Monetizing AI through SaaS involves offering AI-powered software solutions on a subscription basis. This model allows businesses and individuals to access advanced AI tools without significant upfront costs. SaaS solutions can include AI-driven analytics platforms, customer relationship management, CRM systems, and productivity tools. By providing continuous updates, support, and scalability, SaaS providers can build a loyal customer base and generate recurring revenue, ensuring long-term profitability. 7. Building AI tools for specific industries. Building AI tools for specific industries involves developing tailored AI solutions that address unique challenges within those sectors. For example, AI tools for healthcare can assist with patient diagnosis and treatment planning, while AI in agriculture can optimize crop management and yield predictions. By focusing on industry-specific needs, developers can create highly specialized tools that provide significant value, enabling businesses to improve their operations and outcomes. This specialization can lead to lucrative opportunities as industries increasingly seek out advanced AI solutions. 8. Providing AI training and education. Providing AI training and education involves offering courses, workshops, and certification programs to individuals and organizations seeking to build their AI knowledge and skills. This can include online courses, in-person training sessions, and educational resources such as books and tutorials. By addressing the growing demand for AI expertise, educators and training providers can create profitable business models. They can also partner with educational institutions and corporations to deliver tailored training programs, further expanding their reach and impact. 9. Implementing AI in e-commerce and marketing. Implementing AI in e-commerce and marketing involves using AI technologies to enhance customer experiences, optimize marketing strategies, and increase sales. AI can be used for personalized product recommendations, dynamic pricing, and predictive analytics to understand customer behavior and preferences. Marketers can leverage AI to automate campaigns, improve targeting, and measure campaign effectiveness in real time. By integrating AI into e-commerce platforms and marketing efforts, businesses can drive higher engagement, conversion rates, and revenue. 10. Leveraging AI for data analysis and insights. Leveraging AI for data analysis and insights involves using AI algorithms to process and analyze large data sets, uncovering patterns and trends that inform business decisions. AI can handle complex data analysis tasks that are beyond human capabilities, providing deeper insights into customer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiencies. Businesses can use these insights to make data-driven decisions, improve processes, and identify new opportunities. By offering AI-powered data analysis services, companies can help clients achieve better outcomes and drive significant value, creating a profitable business opportunity. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.